Welcome back to our channel. Today we explore the wonderful world of adorable creatures. Get ready, we rate the cuteness of some of nature's most lovable animals. The first animal is the pileated gibbon. The pileated gibbon is a gibbon species found in the forests of Southeast Asia. They are found in Cambodia, Thailand, and Laos. Their diet primarily includes fruits, leaves, flowers, and they sometimes take up eating insects too. Pileated gibbons are found living in nomadic family groups of 2 parents and their juveniles. The gibbons noted above are very territorial, and to defend their area, as well as with communication, they use their loud and sonorous songs. These vocalizations play an important role in the formation of a pair bond. In other words, this is how mates pick each other out for the rest of their lives. Also, like other gibbons, they act as brachiators, which means moving by their long arms on the branches. The next animal is the Mangalitsa pig. The Mangalitsa pig, an unusual breed glorified by its unique woolly hair coat and high-quality meat with special marbling. In the 19th century, the Mangalitsas were introduced from Hungary, where these were bred for their high-fat content. But the population of large black pigs went down so much that they nearly became extinct. Nowadays, Mangalitsa pigs have their comeback, particularly for the high-quality, great taste they give when being used to make meat. What probably grabs the attention most is the peculiarity of woolly, curly hair that characterizes the Mangalitsa pigs. This light and airy nature makes them look like a fluffy, cuddly look. They possess an irregular appearance that is different from that of other pig breeds, which makes them an exceptional breed. The next animal is the Pikas. The Pikas are tailless, burrowing, mouse-like creatures living in mountains. Pika species are widespread in the northern part of both North America and Asia. For their habitat, Pikas are characteristic species of cold areas and found in alpine or subalpine areas. Pika's diet consists of grasses, herbs, and other vegetables and usually stockpiles the food. With warming temperatures over the years, it is detrimental for Pika's survival as it reduces the habitat they live in and, most importantly, the food and predators around them. Similarly, an array of conservation programs are already underway to track down Pika population distribution and gain more of their characteristics. The next animal is the Quokka. The Quokka is a small marsupial that lives only in Australia. They choose a habitat that provides thick vegetation, which offers them both cover and food. Sufficient areas such as the swamps, heathland, and forests are where they are found. They are plant eaters, mainly feed on local grasses, leaves, branches, and tree barks. It's the wide grins and the photogenic appearance of quokkas which have made them popular all around the world. The rottenest island with its quokkas gets more visitors almost all the time who want a close look at these friendly animals. While quokkas are very friendly and sometimes surprisingly adorable little animals, it is important to approach them patiently and cautiously. The next animal is the Japanese weasel. The Japanese weasel is a small carnivore living in the region in Japan. They habitat mainly near to the watery places like rivers, streams, and water meadows. Being carnivores, Japanese weasels have a fairly wide diet from small mammals, birds, frogs, fish, and insects. They are good hunters because they have good control of their agility and speed, thus they own the skill of capturing the prey. Various types of weasels, including the Japanese weasel, are solitary animals and are known to be pretty territorial. They mostly become more active during those hours of the day when people are usually asleep. Sadly, Japanese weasels are endangered by habitat reduction and the habitat taken by introduced species such as Siberian weasels. The next animal is the slow loris. The slow loris is a very clever primate, living under the cover of night. They are found in Southeast Asia's countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. They are also nocturnal and have low movements to avoid their predators stalking them. Packed with energy and rich in fiber and tree gums, they feast on fruits and small insects as food and protein sources. The wide-eyed appearance of the slow loris, with surprisingly large eyes projecting forward from the face and adapted for nocturnal vision, is what many have attested has an irresistible cuteness. Being effortlessly slow, they have this special way of moving, which in conjunction with the liana-like holding fruit branches very strongly looks totally innocent. The next animal is the Malayan flying lemur. The Malayan flying lemur is found in Southeast Asian forests in Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. Leaves, shoots, flowers, and fruits make up the main part of their diet. They are organisms that are mostly active at night since they rest during the day to get ready to guide at night. The Malayan flying lemur is known to glide over 100 meters with its outstretched membrane. The way I can look at the flying insect and appreciate it for its way of gliding through the air close to the ground with its outstretched membrane can be a little enchanting. These sweet creatures are noisy but also commendable due to their sole exhibition. The next animal is the margay. The margay is a wild cat that has a small size found in Central and South America. They call different kinds of forests homes, like tropical rainforests, evergreen forests, and deciduous forests. They spend most of their time in the trees, including the activity of hunting and sleeping. The food found in the trees includes birds, reptiles, and insects. Their cuteness is born from their small frame, cubic eyes, and fun demeanor. Margay eyes are large, having a gentle and cute look to them. Investigating margay's coat, it is very fluffy and it has the loveliest marking made up of dark spots and rosettes. Their fur enhances their cuddly and cute look. The next animal is the Patagonian mara. The Patagonian mara exclusively lives in Argentina. They live in the open, mostly in grasslands, shrublands, and woodlands. The rodents are highly social creatures and they tend to live in groups, consisting of a parent and their child. They meet their mates and friends by speaking to each other through different vocalizations and gestures. The Patagonian eats stem grasses, plants, and herbs. Patagonian maras are characterized by their funny activity of hopping around, chasing each other, and using their claws in social grooming of one another. The last animal is the pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo with its small size habitats are the central Argentina's sandy plains and grasslands. They dig their burrows during the daytime with their sharp claws as a front and spend the remaining time of the day there. The insects, most particularly of them are ants or larvae, are what comprise their diet, and this is something that they find from their well-developed sense of smell. The pale pink shell and soft fur of these animals is a remarkable sight that adds to its charm and delicacy. The color pink stands out evidenced in the general animal kingdom, which may be a reason why they are attractive. A pink fairy armadillo is a name for the smallest armadillo, with a size only a few inches in length. Thanks for tuning in to our cute animal rating adventure. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more adorable content. Let us know in the comments which animal you think deserves the title of the ultimate cutie.